everybody, and welcome to Weight Loss Wednesday. I'm Chef AJ, the creator of the Ultimate Weight Loss Program, and this is where I show you recipes from my book, The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss, that will help you achieve healthy, permanent, and sustainable weight loss. Today I'm going to be doing the compliant ketchup from page 215. This recipe was submitted by Mairead Reddy, who also designed this wonderful t-shirt. If you want to find out more about her t-shirts, I'll put it in the show description where to look for it, but it is on Etsy at Ready or Not Designs. Reddy is spelled R-E-D-D-Y, and she is the gal from Ohio that came up with another wonderful recipe that I made a few episodes ago called the butterscotch pudding. This is one of the easiest ketchups. It's delicious. You know, ketchup is basically, you know, sugar and salt. I mean, no fat, but we get the fat. People eat it on French fries, which are sugar, fat, and salt, and then they put ketchup in it, which is salt and sugar. So this has neither sugar nor fat nor salt. What I really liked about it is a lot of the ketchup recipes that didn't have sugar, oil, salt had dates, and I'm trying not to use so many of them for the people in my Ultimate Weight Loss Program for whom dates, while healthy, are very calorically dense and a sugar food. And this is very easy and it's delicious and very few ingredients. So in the blender, I'm starting with my tomato paste, and I always just get it by the case at Costco, the organic. And you know, I showed you another ketchup recipe before on the show, Kathy Fisher's straight up ketchup, absolutely delicious as well. And then I'm going to add my lemon juice and spices, and then my vinegar. And I'll tell you what vinegar I'm using in just a minute. And believe it or not, that's it for the ingredients. So today I'm using a really delicious barbecue smoked vinegar from California Balsamic. What I love about this product is the 3-ounce bottle, easy to get through TSA. And if you go to californiabalsamic.com and put in the leave us a message box with your order, you get 2 free samples. A lot of people think when I say 2 free samples, that means he's just going to send you 2 free samples out of the goodness of his heart. He's a nice person, but you have to buy something. It doesn't matter how small the order, and you'll get 2 free 1.8-ounce flavors so you can try. I just love this plastic bottle because it doesn't break in my suitcase, and I can get it through TSA. But another delicious flavor and company that you can use in the ketchup is BeMonPaz. BeMonPaz.com, 10% off with code AJ. She makes the best grapefruit that I use every day on my salad. And for this ketchup recipe, the white garlic is my favorite. But this is going to be a little bit more like a barbecue sauce, so I'm using smoked. And she has a smoky flavor too. Okay, so we're just going to put everything in the blender. You know, it's such a small amount, I didn't realize. I'm going to add just the tiniest bit of water because I usually make a double recipe, and that's why it's a lot easier to blend. But I want it nice and thick. There we go. And a little spatula. It smells really good. There we go. I could have probably just mixed it by hand too. So I am going to mix it a little bit. You have to have a little bit more volume for the blender, and usually I'm making a double recipe. There we go. Let me just put it in this little container. Oh, this is really more like barbecue sauce, which is what I prefer on my burgers and fries anyway. And you know, barbecue sauce is usually a lot of sugar. Oh, I wish you could. This is probably the easiest barbecue sauce. I have a barbecue sauce recipe that's a lot more complicated. This is probably the easiest. And what would this be without something to dip it into? So I just so happen to make steak fries in my air fryer. And the way I like to do my air fries is I like to microwave my russet potato and then chill it, and then air fry it. So there you have it, the easiest ketchup or barbecue sauce or fries on the planet. Page 215 of The Secrets to Ultimate Weight Loss. Doesn't this look delicious? Don't be afraid of potatoes. That's what made me thin. The more potatoes I eat, the thinner I get. Thank you so much for watching another episode of Weight Loss Wednesday. I truly believe you can have both the health and the body that you so richly deserve, and you can get it by eating potatoes. Take care.